Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Man in the Mirror. We will begin by learning the fundamental chords that form the backbone of the song. Start with the G major, C major, D major, and E minor chords. Practice transitioning between these four chords slowly and deliberately. Focus on clean changes and a steady rhythm. This initial practice is crucial for building a solid foundation for the entire piece. Aim for a consistent, even sound. Moving into the verse, you will primarily use the G, C, D, and E minor chords. For the pre-chorus, we introduce two new chords, a minor and B minor. These additions add a new layer of harmonic depth. Practice the transitions between these six chords, paying close attention to the rhythm. The songs feel shifts slightly here, so listen carefully to the original recording to capture the correct timing and dynamics. The chorus typically revolves around a C, G, D, and E minor progression, offering a powerful and uplifting feel. When you reach the bridge, you might encounter F major and B7 chords, which provide a temporary harmonic departure. Focus on making these new chord changes smooth and effortless. Dedicate time to practicing these sections repeatedly, ensuring your transitions are clean and your rhythm is precise. For strumming, a common pattern is down, down, up, down, up. Experiment with varying your strumming intensity to create dynamic contrast, making certain sections louder or softer. This adds significant emotional depth to your playing. Always practice with a metronome to solidify your timing and ensure a consistent tempo. Focus on articulating each chord clearly, letting every note ring out. Consistent practice will lead to a polished performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.